Why do some people with average income build wealth while others with high incomes stay broke? It feels backwards, doesn't it? The truth is, it's not about money. It's about psychology. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel reveals a simple truth. Doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are, and a lot to do with how you behave. Let's break down the behaviors that actually build wealth. Today we're diving into the mindset of wealth. And if you've ever thought, I'm not a financial genius, I just want a better relationship with money, stay with me. This could change the way you think about wealth forever. So if wealth isn't just about how much you earn, what is it about? Let's start with the biggest misconception most people carry, one that quietly sabotages their financial future. John earns 6 figures, lives in a downtown apartment and spends every dollar. Sarah, a teacher, saves a little each month. 10 years later, John has nothing. Sarah, she's built real wealth. Conclusion: income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. Now, if wealth isn't about income, how does it grow? This next principle is quiet, powerful, and often overlooked. It's the secret behind how small actions create massive results. Imagine planting a seed. At first, nothing happens, but with care it grows into a tree. Wealth works the same way. Consistent saving, even small amounts, grow exponentially over time. It's not about big leaps. It's about steady steps. And once you've learned to manage your emotions, the next shift is about redefining what wealth really means. Because it's not about what you own, it's about what you can let go of. The sports car, the designer clothes, the fancy vacation, they're not wealth. True wealth is control over your time. Working when you want. Living where you want. Staying the way you want. That's freedom. That's wealth. So now you know wealth isn't income, it's not luxury, and it's not emotion. But here's the final piece, the one that turns all these lessons into results. It's not about being brilliant. It's about being consistent. Ordinary people who save, invest, and repeat, day after day, outperform the geniuses who chase shortcuts. Success is built on consistency, not brilliance. So let's bring it all together. These 5 lessons aren't just financial tips, they're mindset shifts. And if you apply them, you won't just manage money, you'll master it. Here's a quick recap. 1. Income isn't wealth. 2. Compounding is your friend. 3. Emotions drive money. 4. Freedom is more valuable than luxury. 5. Last but not the least, consistency beats genius. Shift your mindset and start building your wealth. Hope this gave you a new way to think about money. Imagine what's coming next. Subscribe and let's grow smarter together.